Today, I'm connecting Claude to Figma, so Claude can actually see and work with my designs. Let's do it. First, click on your profile in the corner and go to Settings. Inside Settings, click on Connectors. This is where Claude links up with all your other tools, Figma included. Click on Add at the top right corner and click Browse Connectors. Now, just search for Figma in the connector list and hit Connect. Quick heads up, you'll need a Claude paid plan for this, but your Figma account can stay totally free. This opens up a Figma login window. Just sign in and click Allow Access so Claude can talk to your Figma files. And that's it. Back in Claude, you'll see Figma now shows as connected. You're all set. One more thing. In any chat, click the plus button and make sure Figma is toggled on. Then just ask Claude something like, pull up my latest Figma file and summarize the components I've used. And Claude gets straight to work with your designs. That's how easy it is to connect Claude to Figma. See you in the next one.